Hey everyone! As you know, if you want to add some authentication and security and make your mail server more trusted by mail servers all over the world, you have to add the DKIM and SPF records to your DNS zone so you can secure your mail server. Since you are configuring a mail server, I think you have some knowledge about DKIM and SPF. But don't worry, if you don't know, just refer to the link attached to this lecture. I create a video about SPF and DKIM. You can follow up if you want. Now, to configure these in Cpanel, it's very simple. You have to go to the email section here, authentication, and you can see here that DKIM is enabled because the button says disable. Also, SPF is enabled. But we have a warning. It says Cpanel is unable to verify that this server is an authoritative name server for hy.me. This warning is here because Cpanel is using an external name server or a DNS server, which is in GoDaddy. Since this domain is hosted here, then it's using an external DNS. So for that, you have to verify and make this DNS or name server authoritative to Cpanel. To do this, simply you have to add these records, the DKIM record and the SPF record, inside your DNS zone. So let's do this. Let's start by the SPF. It's simple, just copy this record and go to domain manager and click add, and be sure to select a text record and just add to host parameter to point to your root domain, and let's add a text record here, which is the SPF record from the Cpanel. Click on save, and that's it. We added the SPF record. Again, let's continue and add a DKIM record to the authentication section. We have this DKIM record here. Get this, which is the host name, and add a text record, and here's the host field, and let's copy our DKIM value and click on save. Very nice. I think this is enough. We have added two text records, one for SPF and one for the DKIM records, and I get them from the authentication section from Cpanel. Now just wait a little bit for the DNS migrations and so on, and let's refresh our page. And as you can see, status enabled and the DNS check was passed. Very nice. So both DKIM and SPF was enabled successfully in our Cpanel account. So now, after enabling, let's now test our mail server again to send a test email and see if the message will be in the inbox or in the spam folder. Let's go back and open our email accounts, and let's open our webmail application, and let's compose a new email and send it to my Gmail account. Just click on new message, and let's set my email here, my Gmail account, secure message. This is a secured message from Cpanel, SPF and DKIM enabled. Very nice. Click on send, and let's open my Gmail account now. And very nice. As you can see now, this is the secure message received in my inbox directly. So this is how you can enable DKIM and SPF and make your server more secure. I think now the idea is somehow clear. We installed our Cpanel server, we configured email accounts, we secured our mail server and tested it with WordPress and Outlook. So I think now the idea is somehow clear. Please, if you have any question, you need more details, I will be here to help you. Thank you, and see you in another lecture.